So if you're watching this video right now, you're probably stuck in a job, or maybe you're just looking for ways online through which you can make some money and maybe travel the world and take care of your family or spend more time with the people you love, the people you care about, right? I was in that similar situation just over almost 2 years ago, right? In January of 2021 was when I quit my sales job. And prior to that, I've been looking for ways through which I can make money online, earn some extra income, and do the things that I want to do, have my own business whereby I'm not stuck in an office or I'm not serving someone who really don't give any two shits about me, right? And that's when I turned to online businesses, looking for ways to start generating income online. Even prior to that, I've tried pretty much everything. I've tried everything imaginable right now that you can think of: dropshipping, social media marketing, pretty much anything that you can try online. I have tried that up until that point. But when I quit my job and I focused on ways through which I can make this online thing work for me, that was when I really started to get some traction. Now, I'm not saying you should go quit your job without having any plan B. What I'm saying is, if you don't see the bigger picture, you might be stuck where you are. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some 4 ways that you can make some extra income online, generate some money. Maybe you want to have some savings so you can quit your job and just pay more attention to the things that really matter to you. So the first opportunity I want to share with you, so if you're looking to make money online, a lot of people think that passive income is just something that you can wake up, one day and start making, right? But it doesn't work that way. If you want to make money either online or passively, you need some form of leverage. Leverage is everything. Do you have something that other people might be willing to pay for? Do you have a skill right now that you can offer to other people in order to generate some money with that? Then you have a leverage. So the first thing I want to recommend to you is to use whatever skill you have right now to start making some quick money. That is the quickest way. Now, I'm going to share with you something on the screen right now. I have had my Upwork account for so many months. In fact, it's been over a year at the time, but I realized that I have the skill to help people generate, clients online, to help them generate leads, to help them find clients, to help them find customers. But I wasn't putting myself on a platform that already finds clients for freelancers, right? That's when I went back to Upwork and I reactivated my account. And in the space of like 2.5 months, I've generated about $5,000. Now, I have other clients that I work with in real life outside of Upwork today, but what you're seeing on the screen right now is what I was able to make within a very short period of time by leveraging what I know. Now, you might be thinking, maybe this is for me, you don't have any skill or whatsoever. I have a course. It's like a training, a very short training that I put together that shows you exactly how to get started with Upwork, how to start finding clients, how to start generating money, how to submit proposals that's going to, really make people invite you to, to work on their project and make you some money that way. If you want to check it out, it's going to be in the description. You don't have to, but if you think this is something that can help you, I would highly recommend that you check it out. So leveraging your skill is the first way to start generating some quick money if you are ready to get started today. Now, let's talk about selling things online, selling products online, drop shipping, e-commerce. Now, this is a buzzword that's been thrown around so many times, but this was exactly how I started making my money online and how I started seeing some progress, right? I was still in my day-to-day job. I was still in my sales job at the time, but on the side, I was running Shopify stores. I was doing drop shipping and all these things, but I wasn't seeing any real progress. That was when I found Facebook dropshipping, and I've been doing Facebook dropshipping now for almost 2 years. In fact, over 2 years at this point. And in fact, that was the reason why I was able to quit my job, because I was able to make so much money in such a short period of time. In fact, in less than six weeks, I made about $17,000 doing Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Now, I'm not saying that dropshipping is something you want to do, but that's one of the ways through which you can do it, whether that's selling on eBay, selling on Amazon, selling on Facebook dropshipping, which is one of the easiest ways to get started with dropshipping today. So if you're looking for a way to start making quick money, I would highly recommend doing Facebook shops or Facebook Marketplace dropshipping, because I have done it. I know thousands of the other people that do it. I'm friends with all of the guys who make videos about them on YouTube, and I know what's going on in their private communities. So I would highly recommend that you check out Facebook, dropshipping. And if you're looking for videos to watch, maybe step-by-step videos, I'll leave some links down to my friend Patrick's channel where you can go watch all the things that he's doing. I think he even has a course. I mean, if I have an affiliate affiliate link or a discount code. I'll leave it in the description as well. So that is another way to start generating quick money if that is what you're looking for right now. Now let's talk about a third and probably the most long-term way to generate income on the internet, and that is through affiliate marketing. That's something that I have done for a long time. In fact, affiliate marketing was a big contributor to, and it still is a big contributor to my income today. When I started running my YouTube channel, I started seeing some growth. I started talking about the products that I'm using to run my Facebook dropshipping stores, and people started asking me about those products. So I reached out to the people who made the product, and I got an affiliate link, and I started using those links inside of my videos. And when people would purchase from my link, I would get a kickback from that, a discount of about 20% of the total cost. I mean, it's not a lot of money, but if you're doing iTicket affiliate marketing, for example, where you sell iTicket products and you get a discount, I mean, a commission on those products. Let's say you sell a $1,000 product and you get a 20% or 30% commission. That's a solid $300 on just one sale. But affiliate marketing is all about being yourself, putting yourself out there and being passionate about one thing and making sure you are speaking to the right people who would be interested in that thing, right? So that is one of the best ways to do it. I started, with affiliate marketing. My first income with affiliate marketing was about $300, and that was probably the most excited I've ever been in such a long time because it was passive income. I made that $300 just by talking about things that I've been using, things that I'm doing that other people just happen to be interested in. So if you're looking for that, but one other thing is with affiliate marketing, you need to have a traffic source. For example, you may be, maybe you like creating content on YouTube, maybe you like writing blog posts, maybe you like writing on Twitter, maybe whatever it is that you like doing, you need to commit to that for a long period of time. And also you can do, paid methods to generate traffic, but the most consistent, the most sustainable way to do affiliate marketing is by generating organic traffic, and by doing content on YouTube is the best way that I know that I've done it in the past. So affiliate marketing is something that you can try as well if you're looking to make money right now, today. Now let's talk about the fourth and final one, which is content creation. Now I've been a content creator for as long as I can remember. I put out my first YouTube video when I believe I was 15 at the time, a very long time ago, but I really never committed to it because I didn't have the resources to. So when I moved to the United States, I started making some money. I started being able to afford a lot of these things. I bought a camera and I started making videos again. So it's been over 2 years, almost 3 years of me doing content consistently on the internet right now. And one of the ways which I've been able to do it is what you're watching right now, which is YouTube. And if you grow your channel to a certain extent, YouTube allows you to make money off of the content that you share on your channel. And that's what I was able to do with my bigger channel, where I now document all my travel videos. So I was able to monetize my channel. I was able to be making money off of the content. I still do make money from my content right now. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it on the screen. And that's one of the ways to which I'm able to make money. And also I do have a course that I put over on Skillshare. That is also a form of content, right? I put together a course and I put it on Skillshare, and I make a couple of, some bucks there every single month here and there. I mean, anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks. So it's not a lot of money, but what I'm trying to say is that this is a way through which you can make money if you can commit to it on the long term. Maybe video is not your thing. You don't feel comfortable on video. That's okay. Maybe you want to start writing blogs, and content is content in whatever form that you do it. It could be blogs, could be video, it could be just about anything. So these are the 4 ways to which I have been able to do it, and I'm a living proof that all of these things work if you put in the work, if you are consistent, and if you just apply yourself, and good things will come your way. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Daniel, and what I am committed to do on this channel is to giving you the best tips and strategies to make money as an online creator or as someone who's just aspiring to be one. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I will get to them as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.